What is one of the zeros of the polynomial 2x² plus 7x minus 4? It's asking for one of the zeros. That means we will have more than one zeros of this equation. Why? Because this is a quadratic equation and every quadratic equation comes with two zeros or two roots. But the question is simply to find one, any one. But if you get this question in MCQs, then you have to select the option that is given in the MCQ out of the two zeros that you have calculated. So let's do this. What is the zero of the polynomial? When you get the value of px as 0. Here px is 2x² plus 7x minus 4. So if we have to find the zero of this polynomial, we have to equate this 2x² plus 7x minus 4, that is the given polynomial, equal to 0, which implies now we have to factorize this polynomial, and for that, looking at the polynomial, we can analyze that we have to split the middle term. Splitting the middle term means we have to divide it in two parts so that the sum or difference comes as plus 7x and the product of these two terms, that is 4 into 2 8, and here we have minus, that means minus 8x square. Looking into this, product 8, that means we can have the factors as 4 into 2, one set. But 4 into 2, when we add 4 and 2, we will get 6. We subtract, we will get 4 minus 2. So we are not getting 7. So trying out the other one, 8. We can have 8 into 1. Product is 8. And if we subtract 1 from 8, we get 7. Now here we have plus sign, that means the larger number should be termed as plus and the smaller one as minus, so that we get the difference getting us to 7x. You all must have learned this earlier classes. So just a revision of how are we going to split the term. Moving ahead, here we get 2x² plus 8x minus x minus 4 is equal to 0. Moving ahead, we can take 2x as common, so we get x plus 4 over here. Here we take minus, here we take 1, or you don't write anything. It becomes minus 1 is outside, so we have plus x and plus 4. Since minus is taken outside, the sign changes. Since this was 1, we got x plus 4. So this becomes 2x minus 1 as one of the factors and x plus 4 as another factor equal to 0. You can also consider it like how we got it. X plus 4 common we have taken here. Left out 2x minus 1, that comes over here. So we get one factor as 2x minus 1, another factor as x plus 4. This means 2x minus 1 is equal to 0 and x plus 4 is equal to 0. Solving this further, we get 2x is equal to 1. Therefore, x is equal to 1 by 2. This side, we simply get x is equal to minus 4. So, one of the factors is 1 by 2, another factor is minus 4. You can write any of these as the answer if it is an open-ended question. If it is a closed-ended question, that is MCQs, then just check it out which one of these two is present in the list of options available. Whichever you get, just tick it, and that is the final answer. It is simple, it is easy. Practice it, solve it, and you will be able to do it in the examination. Don't skip the steps. Follow the procedure, be careful, and answer is not far away from you. Believe me, StudyMare, not anymore.